Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Coming to you from our 1968 Chevy Camaro convertible. Second year of the first generation Camaro, coming to you with a orange and blue combination exterior. As you can see, they did add a 2-inch cowl induction hood, torque wheels. What I like most about the exterior of this car is how it's designed. The back wheels was a old style where the wheel would actually stick out from the back quarter, but you don't see that most of the days because people today think that's stupid. However, I think it's pretty cool. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, featuring an automatic on the floor horseshoe shifter. Does have an aftermarket stereo system with amplifier in the trunk. Aftermarket 3-spoke wooden wheel. Upgraded console there. That is very nice and digitalized. Does have the deluxe interior package, as you can see from the door handles all the way down. It does have that orange and blue combination. Very unique, but very nice. Going underneath the hood now with the 350, has been upgraded, as you can see from the intake. Upgraded pulley system, even has an aluminum radiator with a trans cooler and the overflow tank. As soon as this lame traffic gets out of our way, let's open it up a little bit, show what it's really made of. Let her purr. Oh yeah, as you can hear there are no misses. Driving pretty smoothly. In fact, as you can see, the driver is perfectly capable of holding the wheel. And yes, he has moved on to one hand so he can use his other hand for more important needs. But as for that, now we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.